Tuturuan ko kayo kung paano gumawa ng mga coloring pages or coloring book for those who don't know how to draw like me. Hey there everyone! Welcome back here in my channel. This is me once again, Teacher Marie. And in today's video, guys, you're going to be able to create your own coloring books or coloring pages that you can sell online, or you can also offer a service to a client. A client could hire you to create coloring pages or coloring books for them, and you can get paid for that. So when you look into Etsy, for example, coloring pages and coloring books are pretty in demand. There's a lot of people, adults, kids, parents who would definitely buy coloring pages. So as you can see, these are the price ranges that you can sell your coloring books or coloring pages if you're looking to sell it as a digital item. I have 3 ways to share with you how you can easily, yes, very easy guys, with the use of AI technology, with the use of Canva, Canva Free or Canva Pro. So normally guys, when somebody is creating coloring outlines for coloring books, an artist could manually create outlines. However, this is going to be for those who don't know how to draw like me. So what I just want you to do is make sure that you have a Canva account. It could be a Canva Free or a Canva Pro. Right now, I'm using a Canva Pro. So first, we are going to have dimensions. So you have these 3 options for your dimensions that are common for coloring pages. Personally, I like the square one better, but you can also, of course, use the other dimensions if you want to. So once you have your blank page open already, let's have first the very simple one, which is to go to the element and then you type here outline. So let's say for example you want sea animals, so you just type here sea animals outline, and you can see here that there's a lot of outlines that you can see for this specific category. Now if you're using Canva for this one guys, you have to remember that you cannot sell a standalone element and use it as a design. Say for example in this one element for your coloring page, then that is not allowed. So you have to have at least 2 elements or more for your design. So for this one, let's just have other elements, and here we have already 1 coloring page ready to be downloaded and to be sold. So as you can see guys, that's one way, and that's also very easy to do it. Now since it's very easy, you have to know that of course everybody's doing it, so the competitiveness is definitely there. It's truly high, so make sure to do your best to truly stand out with your designs. So what you can do with this is you can also make sure to add some specific features. Say for example a certain age group, it is for let's say age 3 to 7 years old, coloring book for relaxation for adults. So put in those little things that would make it unique and would make it stand out from the rest. So you can also create bundles. So for example, 1 coloring book of 30 pages of this design, for example. Okay, so the next one guys, we're still going to use Canva, and this is also free, and this time we are going to use an AI tool. So on your Canva account, go to apps and go to the search box and type coloring, and you will see this one, coloring book. So when you open this one, this is how it looks like. It is an app that turns text descriptions into a coloring book style. So basically you're going to type a text describing what your coloring page will look like, what you want it to be, and then the AI will create it for you. Now the resulting images for this one guys is in square, so I would suggest that you would use the square dimension. So this is how it's going to look like. Here you can see you're given 5 credits a day, so it will renew every 24 hours. So if you use it last 8 p.m. you will have another 5 credits on 8 p.m. of the next day. So just type your text right here. So we have here, for example, an octopus in the ocean, and then generate, and this is how it would look like. So that's very easy. It would take a little bit of time for you to actually have a generated image, so you have to wait a little bit. Now, it's not actually too long, but for me, it's still a little bit of time. Since it's generated by AI, there are cases where there's 3 eyes when there's only 2, or when there are 7 or 6 fingers. So those are challenges with AI, and as we all know, AI is not perfect. So just be mindful of those things. Truly want you to be careful to not sell items like this, as this could really discourage your buyers in the future. So just be very careful. Next, we are going to use one more time another AI tool, but this time it is on FreePic. So we have here a FreePic AI image generator. So for this one, guys, I have actually paid for 1 month. So FreePic, you can actually use it for free. You are given 20 credits, I guess, so that means 20 generated images, as you can see right here. Text description, how you want it to be. So since we want a coloring style, we have to mention that it is in a coloring book style. So for example, we have here, create a coloring page in black and white in a white background of a whale. So you have to be really very specific with your description. You can also adjust it here, the mode, the size. Of course, you want the square one if you use the square one. We also have here style, and then we have also color, camera, structure, and so on. In my case, I only adjust the size, of course, and then I would just type down my text description. So you can see here, down here, images number, we have 4. So that means that once you click create, it will give you 4 generated results. So that 4 will be deducted from your 20. So if you only want 1 result, make sure to put only 1. So here, it's very easy, guys. Now, once again, it's really challenging with AI since you're not going to get it perfect all the time, and if your credits are limited, then it's going to be very challenging. But once again, the credit would renew every 24 hours. You would be able to enjoy another 20 credits the next day. Now, if you really want to create your own designs, then definitely check out some paid courses online where you can learn how to create your own coloring pages or coloring books. So this is not a sponsored video, but I have here Skillshare. They have a lot of tutors here that will tell you exactly what tool to use, what techniques, and we have here also Udemy. So with Udemy, you have to pay for each course. So again, these are paid courses. However, they do have free trials, so you can take advantage of that. So that's how you can create coloring pages for a coloring book and sell it online or sell it as a service. If you like this video and if you want to see more videos like this, then make sure to let me know by clicking the like button down below, and I would totally create more videos like this for you. So that is it for now, and as usual, I'll be seeing you guys on the next one. Bye!